Are you looking for the best Chinese drones under $800? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones under $800 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone. DJI Mini 5 Pro inspires creators who want freedom without limits and memories that feel alive. This compact flying camera speaks to people who chase moments at sunrise city nights and quiet landscapes where emotions feel real. Every flight feels light, calm and confident, making creativity flow naturally without stress or fear. Life moves fast and special scenes disappear quickly. DJI Mini 5 Pro helps capture those seconds with clarity that feels personal and meaningful. Night views appear rich and deep, turning darkness into visual stories worth sharing. Movement in the air feels smooth and controlled, creating trust between the pilot and the sky. Each launch builds excitement because exploration becomes simple and joyful. Travel lovers appreciate how easily this drone fits into daily plans. Carrying it feels effortless, allowing spontaneous adventures anywhere inspiration appears. The design supports creators who value simplicity, focus and balance. Obstacle awareness brings peace of mind, allowing attention to stay on framing emotion and perspective rather than worry. DJI Mini 5 Pro connects technology with feeling. A large 1-inch sensor allows light to shape scenes naturally, producing images that feel warm, honest and immersive. Every captured frame holds emotion, whether filming mountains, streets or family moments. Owning DJI Mini 5 Pro represents confidence, modern taste and creative ambition. It encourages storytelling from new angles while respecting safety and ease. This drone becomes a trusted companion for artists, travelers and dreamers who want their vision seen clearly. Choosing DJI Mini 5 Pro means choosing freedom, expression and reliability. Each flight creates lasting memories that feel authentic, inspiring and deeply satisfying. Number 2. Potensic C0 Mini Drone. Potensic C0 Mini Drone brings emotion to every journey by turning ordinary trips into unforgettable visual stories. Travelers dream about capturing moments that feel honest, calm and personal. This compact aerial companion supports that desire by blending creativity with confidence. From peaceful beaches to busy streets, each flight feels smooth, gentle and inspiring. Many people want memories that stay vivid long after returning home. Potensic C0 Mini Drone helps preserve those feelings through stable motion and clear perspectives that feel cinematic yet natural. The experience feels welcoming even for first-time pilots because trust grows quickly between hands, eyes and sky. Flying becomes relaxing instead of stressful, which allows imagination to lead. This drone fits easily into daily plans, making spontaneous adventures feel possible anywhere. Packing feels simple and light, encouraging exploration without hesitation. Sharing captured scenes becomes emotional because images feel alive, meaningful and expressive. Loved ones see moments exactly as they felt in real life. Potensic C0 Mini Drone supports people who value creativity, balance and freedom. Smooth aerial control allows focus on storytelling rather than technical worry. Every takeoff builds excitement because discovery feels safe, controlled and joyful. Brushless movement creates quiet confidence while the gimbal keeps visuals calm and immersive. As a thoughtful travel gift, this drone represents care, inspiration and modern taste. It speaks to creators, explorers and memory keepers who want more than simple photos. Choosing Potensic C0 Mini Drone means choosing emotional connection, adventure and personal expression. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone creates a deep emotional pull for people who dream about freedom, discovery and control from the sky. Every journey becomes meaningful because this aerial companion transforms ordinary landscapes into powerful memories. Flying feels calm, confident and exciting at the same time, which helps users feel brave while exploring new views. Many buyers search for a drone that connects heart and imagination. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone answers that desire by offering an experience that feels smooth, reassuring and expressive. Watching the world move gently below builds a sense of peace while curiosity stays alive. Moments captured feel personal, vivid and worth sharing with loved ones. This foldable design fits easily into daily life, allowing spontaneous adventures without planning stress. Travelers, photographers and creators feel inspired because carrying it never feels heavy or complicated. The touchscreen interaction adds comfort, which helps users stay focused on creativity instead of worry. Emotional security matters when flying above nature cities or celebrations. Obstacle awareness brings confidence and reduces fear, making every flight feel safe, controlled and enjoyable. Smooth motion supports steady visuals that reflect true feelings rather than rushed movement. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS drone connects people with storytelling, passion and modern lifestyle. Sharing captured scenes builds pride, happiness and connection across families, friends and communities. Each flight feels like a personal achievement filled with joy, discovery and calm excitement. Choosing Teeggi SG909 Max GPS drone means choosing inspiration, freedom and trust. It speaks to explorers who value beauty, balance and emotional expression through aerial storytelling.